Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create timeline actions to add, tag, move a subscriber to a campaign, and delete a subscriber using GetResponse. Please log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting attendees as targets for this action. Let's select Get Response from this list. Then, let's select Add Tag as our desired action. Let's select the tag we intend to add attendees to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Add Tag action to Out Timeline. Now let's create the action to move a subscriber to a campaign. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to 10 minutes after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees. Again, let's select Get Response, then select Subscriber Move Campaign. Let's select the campaign we want the non-attendees moved to, then click on Create. Perfect. Lastly, let's create the action to delete a subscriber. Same as before, click on Create Action. This time, I'll set this to an hour after the webinar. We are targeting non-attendees again. Select Get Response here, then select Delete Subscriber. Click on Create. We have successfully created 3 timeline actions with Get Response. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.